Hardwood floors are a classic, solid pick for good reason. They're durable, beautiful, and timeless. To keep them looking their best, though, some upkeep is required, starting with cleaning. You can't use just any surface cleaner on hardwoods. Too much moisture causes them to warp and expand, while harsh chemicals can strip varnishes. Finding the perfect hardwood floor can be overwhelming with so many options available, each offering unique features, benefits, and price points. To make your decision easier, I've done extensive research, analyzed countless reviews, and curated a list of the best hardwood floor from trusted brands. These products are specifically chosen to help people like you find comfort and support. For pricing and additional details, don't forget to check the description below. Now, let's dive straight into the video. Number 1. Murphy Oil Soap Wood Floor Cleaner 3-Pack. The Murphy Oil Soap Wood Cleaner has been a classic cleaning staple for decades, and for good reason. The concentrated formula is made of 98% naturally derived ingredients, doesn't contain any ammonia or bleach, and is biodegradable and phosphate-free. We found that the cleaner doesn't streak or leave residue behind, and the solution dried in an impressive 60 seconds. Simply dilute 1/4 cup of the cleaner in 1 gallon of warm water to clean your hardwood floors. Our editor's review. Although the scent wasn't my favorite, it was not overpowering in any way. It dissipated into the air rather quickly. In addition to this, I like that it cleaned the floor really well and even added some shine. Number 2. Bona Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Safe to use on unfinished, unwaxed floors and around kids and pets, Bona's Hardwood Floor Cleaner tackles everyday grime with ease. Our tester appreciated the scent-free formula and how the easy-to-use nozzle evenly distributed the cleaner over the floor. Using a dust mop with a microfiber pad, we removed footprints, mud, food spills, and scuffs. Since it comes as a ready-to-use spray, no diluting is necessary, making for quick and easy cleanup. Our editor's review. I like that it doesn't have a strong scent and that it dries quickly. Plus, I like that it has low VC emissions and is an EPA-safer choice. Number 3. Rejuvenate All Floors Multi-Purpose Cleaner. Cleaners that are specially formulated for hardwoods are wonderful, but if you have other types of flooring in your home, using 2 different cleaners isn't easy or efficient. We love that this spray option takes care of messes on hardwood, laminate, and tile. It effectively removed scuffs and dirt from our tester's floor and even added some shine. The application process is versatile, as well as the solution can be applied by pouring, spraying, or inserting into the brand's own mop. Additionally, the pH-balanced and low VC formula makes it safe for everyday use. Our editor's review. I like that this one is multi-purpose and that you can use it on other hard surfaces beyond just wood floors. My house is mostly hardwood, so I could get by with 1 spray, but I could see this being a good option for someone with lots of different types of floors. Number 4. Aunt Fanny's Hardwood Floor Cleaner. Economical, eco-friendly, kid and pet safe, and pleasantly scented, Aunt Fanny's Hardwood Floor Cleaner Concentrate got top marks from our tester and in online reviews. The solution must be diluted with water before use, which requires a little math but also allows you to go longer in between purchases. We like that this cleaner is vinegar-free, unlike the brand's other floor cleaner, since vinegar can dull the hardwood floor's finish. Our editor's review. It doesn't smell chemical so I feel good about using it in a home with 3 animals and a toddler where eating off the floor is common. Number 5. Method Squirt Plus Mop Hardwood Floor Cleaner. For tough jobs and large surface areas, Method's Hardwood Floor Cleaner gets the job done. A concentrated squirt and mop formula that doesn't require dilution quickly covers the floor, and a little goes a long way, especially when used with a damp mop. Made of non-toxic ingredients in a 100% recycled container, our tester noted that the formula easily removed grime and buildup from our floors. If you want a fast-acting, lightly scented, easy-to-store cleaner, this is a solid pick. Our editor's review. I just sprayed the solution directly onto the floor and wiped it down. Any grime or dirt that was on the floor wiped up very easily. That's it for today. I create helpful videos like this every day, so make sure to subscribe to my channel for more. If you're looking for additional details or want to check the product prices, you'll find all the information in the description. Have questions or need assistance? Feel free to drop a comment below. Stay tuned for more amazing products to make your life easier.